Hello everyone, Namaskar, good afternoon. So today is my second session after my healthy hot chocolate pudding. So everyone enjoyed that pudding, and it was strange to see the circulation of that post, and direct messages came to me on my messenger. Thank you so much for liking the chocolate recipe, the hot chocolate pudding recipe. So today I'll be doing a very different recipe, a very different kind of paneer bhurji, which I saw during my visit to Amritsar. Actually, I was doing a survey on Punjab cuisine, and also I am writing a book on Punjab cuisine also now. So I just saw this recipe it was making by a roadside vendor, a cart only, but there was a long queue on that cart, and he was serving that paneer bhurji with bread, raw bread only. You see the bread slice? How can we eat anything like bhurji with a bread without toasting or without applying butter on that? But people were enjoying that recipe due to the extra moistness and extra butter in that paneer bhurji, and that butter was Amul butter. And when I saw the behind of that vendor, there was a huge stack of Amul butter packs, 500 gram packs. और daily कितना use करता है I can't say, but I can have an idea कि more than 50-60 kg must be using per day. So let's start paneer bhurji, Punjabi style, Amritsari style, which I got inspired, and I have introduced in almost all of my projects in different locations in India, from South, Hyderabad, Bangalore to Punjab and to Rajasthan. Wherever I have done my restaurant projects, I have introduced this bhurji, and people come specially to enjoy this bhurji. So let's start this bhurji. First of all, I'll explain you about the ingredients, and one thing more, and today you will learn two recipes, different recipes. One is this paneer bhurji, and second, which that vendor serve, is the bread only. But today I'll be doing a garlic loaf bread, how to make a garlic bread slice, which you get easily in the good restaurants, and very professional style, how to cut a loaf, how to apply garlic butter on that, and how to toast it. So I'll serve this bhurji with that garlic toast. So in the same time you will learn paneer bhurji and you will learn that garlic toast. So let's start. So what I'll be taking this Amul 200 grams pack. So I have set this recipe according to this 200 gram paneer. 200 gram paneer, grated form, fine grated, very fine, because we have to cook it with water also. So it should emulsify with water, and it should look like a creamy, buttery texture, not paneer bhurji. So very fine grated 200 grams paneer, and we'll cook it with onion. This is chop onion, medium size, not very fine, not very thick size. So you can take this size of onion. This is medium size, and weight of medium size onion is 70 to 80 grams. Or another way of measuring is take half cup of this full. So this is full, half cup measurement of chop onion. Now less than half cup measurement of this tomato, but weight would be same, 75 grams. So 75 grams is my onion, 75 grams is tomato, but it will not cover up to the onion level because the weight is more in tomatoes. So 75 grams onion, 75 grams tomato, ginger fine chop. I'll be using only 2 to 3 teaspoon. And then in spices, I'll just show you. In spices, we'll be adding only salt, degi chili powder, coriander powder, dhania powder we call it, and then turmeric. And we'll start the dish with little bit of cumin, not too much. This is only the ingredient list, very simple but very different in cooking. And one green chili I have already chopped here, one chili only. Rest you can adjust according to your taste, your flavor, and how much you can bear the chili, bear the heat. So let's start cooking. Bit of water here. Okay. Let the pan heat properly, thoroughly. I'll be cooking this bhurji on medium heat. not at low temperature, not at high. See, this is the high, so I'll reduce little bit, and now this is in the medium level. So let the pan heat. What we'll do now, like any other recipe, we add fat, we add oil first. No, so it's almost hot. I'll be adding onion first. You can see 75 grams onion or one medium onion chopped already in the pan. Now what we'll do, we'll take this butter. This is 100-gram butter, but we'll take only 40 grams for this recipe. हाफ अगर करेंगे तो 50 होगा, तो मैं थोड़ा सा I go to the right side, and now this is 40 grams, and I'll keep rest 60 grams back to my refrigerator because today is too much heat here also in Chandigarh. Can you please keep back? Okay, so this is 40 gram butter. Out of this 40 grams, I'll be using only 25 grams right now. The balance quantity will put in the last. और वो लास्ट में डालने का क्या बेनिफिट होता है, आई विल शो यू इन द लास्ट ओनली. सो दिस 25 grams बटर इन द अनियन विल स्टार्ट. नाउ विल स्टार्ट स्टिरिंग. ब्रेक द बटर. अब इससे एक और बेनिफिट होगा, योर बटर विल नॉट बर्न बिकॉज यू एडेड अनियन फर्स्ट एंड ऑन दैट अनियन यू एडेड बटर. सो नाउ सी how beautifully it blended with the onion without any burning effect on the pan. The pan is also clean at this stage because onion was hot. As soon as we added butter, so melted beautifully on the onion. Now we'll reduce a little bit, otherwise you can cook it on the same heat. We'll cook this onion for 8 minutes, approx 8 minutes. It will be light brown in color. So for 8 minutes what we'll do, I'll show you so many things in this 8 minutes. We'll use this butter in the last. Okay, this chili also we can put. See, this chili also can go well with the onion right now. I have added. See, whenever you're cooking in a pan, always take a ladle with a bend here and keep cleaning the sides all the time. You can see when I'm rotating my pan, I'm taking all the onion from the sides to the center, and it's beautifully cooking. So we'll come to the bread part. I told you I'll be replacing their raw bread with garlic loaf, or you'll be learning now second recipe in the same session. So I have taken this multigrain loaf, and you can take any loaf, plain loaf, garlic loaf, multigrain, bran, wheat, whatever you want to take. So if you cut any loaf, the most important part is the cutting of that loaf and the thickness of that slice. So I'll just tell you the secret behind the good garlic bread toast. I'll just clean my knife. Okay, due to butter I have to little bit sharpen it. So this is my handy sharpener. Yeah, little bit stirring here. As I told you, it will take 8 minutes. We'll make it light brown in color, and after that you'll see it's very simple to cook all the things together. Just these 8 minutes are a little bit, they require patience. After that, quickly we'll do everything. So this bread, see, you can cut like this also, but I like the slant cutting. And first I'll take out slant small piece which I will not use as a garlic bread. I can use it in any other way. So now the thickness, I'll show you. The most important part in the loaf is the thickness. I'll just show you the thickness. What thickness you should take. I'll take 2-3 sizes. I'll just show you the proper I have bread knife also, but that is in my studio, and studio is under lockdown. But that's why I'm using plain knife. So onion browning की तरफ जा रहे हैं. In the meanwhile, I'm showing you bread. I'll just put it on sim. It is near about the final stage. So see the thickness of bread loaf. Can you see there in the camera? It should be more than 1 inch, or if you take around 1.25 inch or between 1.5 inch is better. So it should be thick. Reason to keep it keep it on this thickness. When we'll apply butter here and we'll cook it in this pan, the pan will slowly heat up the sides. It will make a beautiful golden crust here and with a crunch, but from the center it will be soft. So now if you remember when you had last time good garlic breads in any international chains, just remember their thickness and crust on the sides or out and softness in the center. And I know आप सभी उसके बाद ये भी सोचते थे कि यार इतनी सॉफ्ट कैसे है. तो सॉफ्ट ब्रेड रखने का रीजन ये है कि कट इट इनटू द थिक स्लाइस. तो ऊपर नीचे से इसकी टोस्टिंग होगी अभी इन द पैन एंड सेंटर विल बी वेरी सॉफ्ट. तो नाउ इज द टाइम टू ऐड स्पाइसेस. अभी ब्रेड को हम वहीं पे छोड़ते हैं, हमने कट किया है. आई विल कम टू द स्टेज नेक्स्ट. The brown, you can see the brown color. We can show here. It's clearly shown. The light brown color here, light brown. Now, gas को बिल्कुल कम करना है. Put it on the lowest and start adding your spices. So these are my tools. 1 teaspoon and this is half teaspoon. First, we'll take half teaspoon. Cumin, jeera, less than half teaspoon or maybe 1/4 teaspoon. Very small quantity I'll be adding. जीरा सोचेंगे कि मैंने स्टार्टिंग में क्यों नहीं डाला. I want to add it at this stage because I don't want to overcook cumin. It will still cook in this heat also. Cumin here, coriander powder, 1 teaspoon. So this is 1 teaspoon full. So this is 1 teaspoon in the side. Now again half teaspoon. Now all the ingredients will be half teaspoon. And recipe is already mentioned above this video. If you see, I have already mentioned there, so no confusion. Half teaspoon of degi chili powder in the side, half teaspoon of salt in the side, and half teaspoon of turmeric, haldi in the side. Now what we'll do? We'll add ginger also at this stage. 1 teaspoon of ginger. Second teaspoon of ginger, and third, if you like ginger more, you can add. Like I like, so I will add ginger more. So 3 teaspoon of ginger. Now quickly mix everything. Can you give me half cup of water? Now this is the time when our spices burn. So that's why I kept it at the lowest. So now I'm not afraid about burning of the spices. So just quick stir. Now I will be using total 1 cup of water in total recipe. 1 cup means this is half cup. This is full and 1 cup another. I'll put it on the later stage. Abhi we'll add little bit and we'll increase the flame at this stage. Yeah. And I'll just remove this so that you can bring the camera to get near to the pan. Can you show the pan now? What's going on? We'll keep camera on the pan for some time so that you can notice. You can easily watch what's going on here. Is it clear? Okay. So I added onion first, then butter, then green chili. So after light browning the onion, I added all the dry spices which I mentioned in the post also, and ginger, and I added water, थोड़ा सा और पानी. So it will bring everything together and it will look like a sauce. Now finally tomatoes, the beautiful red tomatoes. Tomatoes के बारे में तो मैं last पोस्ट में भी बता चुका हूँ. Not on Amul, on my other video. Tomato is a fruit not a vegetable. You must be knowing that tomato is a fruit, and you know it was introduced to India by European countries, and it was introduced in Europe by Spanish people, and in 15th century people they started eating tomato in Italy. You know, the rich Italian people, they started dying, they started getting stomach infections, because at that time they were having tomatoes in metal called pewter, and pewter was having lead in that. So due to that lead, when they consumed tomatoes especially, because it is acidic food, so that lead made their food poisonous, and they got so many health problems. And when they noticed that poor Italian people are very healthy after eating tomatoes, the reason was they were having those tomatoes in a wooden plate. So later on, when our scientists and food technologists, they got research, so they came to know the reason is not tomato, the reason was the metal, that pewter, that lead. So lead के metal में कभी भी हम acidic food नहीं ले सकते. We'll cook it for just 2-3 minutes, and then we are very near to our final cooking stage. Still on the medium heat. अभी ये tomatoes soft हो रहे हैं. I'll put some more water. See, this is half cup of water. I'm adding little bit at a time to make a good sauce. तो अभी ये sauce जैसे ही convert हो जाएगी, I'll be adding paneer and again one full half cup of water, and then you'll see what will happen here. This is very different recipe of paneer bhurji, and I got very good reviews from all of my projects, and people specially come there to have this paneer bhurji. So just try to little mash these chopped tomatoes. Okay, I got a question that can we use tomato paste in this? No, because we'll just mix tomatoes little bit, and we need this chunky part also in the bhurji. थोड़ा बहुत इसको cook करेंगे tomato को, not too much. And see the technique how we roll the pan. Take your ladle and clean it from the sides and roll it in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this. This is the professional technique how to cook a sauce, how to handle a masala. See the style of rotating. My left hand is rotating the pan, and the right side I am moving the ladle. And normally हम घर पे क्या करते हैं, हमारा मसाला पड़ा रहता है, हमारी sides जो है वो black हो जाती हैं, comes black and burn. So I am not giving any chance to this masala to get burned. So this is almost done, just a minute, and I'll put last of this half cup water. Now I'll put half cup more for liquid form. We'll make it a stew, then we'll add our paneer. So can you give me a half cup more? So total water I have used in this recipe is 1 cup. Half cup I have already consumed in making this sauce. Now another half cup we'll add after. I'll just keep it on sim just for 2 minutes more. In the meanwhile, I'll show you the bread technique. Can you bring back the camera here? I'll just switch on the pan where I'll be grilling the bread. So my pan is on where I'll grill this bread. I will not grill it as it is. I have prepared something special for this bread. I'll show you. See, I think some people have recently joined. I just showed how to cut a bread loaf, and the thickness of the bread should be like this, so that when you cook it with butter, outer both the layers, both these inner cuts should be crisp and coated with the fat, and inner should be soft. If you cut it in a thin slice, so both the sides will be crisp and inner will not get any space for the softness. Inner will again become tight and you'll feel a crunch, feel a tight crunch, tight bite in your mouth. So I'll give it again one stir. See, this is the technique how to rotate a pan like this. That's it. Okay, what I have done, see how beautiful this thing is. I'll just explain you. Is it visible here? Yes. Okay, so what is this? This is butter, plain Amul butter. Just keep it at a room temperature and let it soft, and then add chopped garlic, fine chopped garlic into that butter as per your choice, how much garlic you want. And I have added some parsley and green coriander in this, just for the beauty. If I apply here and I'll grill, and after that you'll see the green dots over here. So what I'll do, I'll just apply this, I'll just rotate this first. Okay, my sauce is done. Now what I'll do, I'll put another half cup of water, which is the final quantity of water, completely half cup. Done. Little bit increase the flame. थोड़ा फ्लेम को इंक्रीज किया है मैंने. Again keep it back. जैसे ही इसमें बॉयल आएगा, as soon as the boil comes, we'll add this grated paneer and I'll show you the final dish will be ready in another 5 minutes. Again I'll come back to this toast. So this is thick slice. This is a combination of soft butter, chopped garlic and parsley. You can put mint or any herb you want. So just take this butter like this and apply here. Can you see? Is it visible? Can you see?
Yes.
Is it clearly visible? Yeah? Okay. It looks like a cheese, but it's only melted butter. Not melted butter, this is soft butter. आप थोड़ी देर room temperature पे रखिए, it will be soft. And apply like this on the pan. See the sound? And reduce the flame little bit. Now we'll cook this. Cook this on very low heat. Like this, very low heat. You can keep it back. My gravy is becoming thick. See how it's becoming. Now let it sit there for 1.5 minutes. Then on other side again 1.5 minutes on low heat. We'll make one more piece. So you have learned two dishes. One is Punjabi style paneer bhurji, which is very, see the sound, which is very different kind of bhurji, which I learned from a street vendor, as I told you, from Amritsar. Salute to Amritsar, because I learned so many things from Amritsar, and I have already done four. I have already done 4 food walks in Amritsar, because people approach me, and professional chefs and from media people, food writers, they approach me to do a food walk for them. So I have already done for 4 times. And for any other queries or any other doubts if you have, you can approach me on my social handles. I have already mentioned on the top. Instagram is there, Facebook is there. You can approach on the messenger also, and any query. So I would love to solve that. I would love to resolve the issues. I can show you the pan. Just have a look. Can you listen? Can you hear the sizzle? Again on the back. This. Okay. This stew is ready. The beauty of this paneer bhurji is that we don't cook paneer dry in any masalas. We cook it in water stew. Now I will be adding all the paneer. Okay, one thing is very important. Paneer should be finely grated, and paneer should be a good fat paneer. If paneer is not having a good fat, like you buy some cheaper quality paneer from another vendor with low price, so their fat is already extracted from there. तो पनीर भुर्जी का इसका मजा नहीं आएगा. You need good fat in the paneer for this smooth bhurji. So I have added And now can you bring camera again? I can show what's going on here. I have added grated paneer, and now you see looks like a cheese. Now what we'll do, we'll cook it for another 5 minutes, but at this stage I'll be adding the balance 15 grams of butter again in. This butter will do magic. The total the recipe is having 200 grams of paneer, 40 grams of butter. So butter कम हो सकता है, but if you want to enjoy street food, especially from Amritsar, then definitely you should try this same recipe. And butter is always good. This recipe will serve 4 people. See it looks like a cheese. It looks like a mozzarella melted cheese. Yeah. So this is the beauty of this recipe. This recipe is done. Also getting ready.
Someone has asked whether the bhurji will be thick.
No, see the consistency.
Disconnected. Question.
Okay, it's again live. It got disconnected. Sorry. So it won't be solid. It will look like a melted cheese. See, and I love to have it with little bit more water. So you can add, like I'll be adding now. तो मेरे को भी थोड़ा और लिक्विड चाहिए. I'll be adding little bit of more water. That's it. I'll make it little bit more cheesy. In the meanwhile, just keep on mashing paneer. Already it is fine grated, but even then, okay. Let me check the salt. My bread is, see, I'm grilling this bread on very low heat, so it's not becoming. It's almost done. See this beautifully grilled garlic breads, and you just try this at your home. Definitely you will get the same feel which you have at good restaurants, at good international chains. But get a loaf like this and cut it into 1 to 1.5 inches thick slice. Only then you will get the beauty of this toast. Done. So how simple is this? Question, what is the question? Yeah, just let me know what question is.
Which bread is this?
This is only multigrain loaf. You can take any loaf. You can take plain white loaf. You can take wheat loaf, bran loaf, any loaf. We have this multigrain, so this is with me at home. Any loaf, but technique is cut it into this thickness, this size, and then grill it on very low heat with butter and garlic on this. I have already shown. This is a paste of soft butter, chopped garlic and parsley. You can put mint or any other herb. So I'll do the plating for you now. Any other question, please?
One person wants you to repeat the recipe, repeat.
Repeat the quick recipe. Okay. Ingredients are already mentioned on the top in this post. So how to make this quick bhurji? I have added chopped onion first, not butter. I switch on the gas, added onion, and on that onion I added butter, right? Then stir it for 2-3 minutes, reduce the flame little bit, and again cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. When your onions are light brown in color, add all the dry spices, degi chili, salt, coriander powder, turmeric, cumin, and chopped ginger. Stir it, and within 30 seconds add some water, less than half, around 1/4 cup water. Then it will look like a thick sauce. Then add tomatoes. Then cook tomatoes again for 3, 4, 5 minutes, and add rest half cup of water. And total 1 cup water will consume in this recipe, or a little bit more I have added now. And then after tomatoes, add mashed paneer and cook for 5 minutes. This cheesy paneer bhurji, Amritsari paneer bhurji, is ready for you, and I'll serve it on a platter. Any other question in the meanwhile can we have, please? We are already 2 minutes above our session.
Few people are asking about your gloves. How can you cook with gloves on, or whether hands
See,
are
I am
better?
cooking in front of you. I don't have any problem. I can hold this also. So this is my habit. I walk like this. In my studio, I have so many batches. I teach to students, I teach housewives, I teach the professional chefs also in my studio. It's a training institute also. So I work like this only, and I teach them also to use this as much as you want. And now, due to this corona, so I am very much stick to this. So I'll do the plating first.
And Philomena is asking, what difference does it make by adding onions first to the pan?
See, if I added butter first, then very carefully I'll have to handle my heat, and not all the people who are watching are pro to this any cooking. So anyone if new to kitchen also, any student also want to do the cooking or roasting of this onion, add onion, then add fat like oil, butter, जो भी आपको डालना है, तो आपका कोई चांस ही नहीं है कि your fat will burn the onion first and all. So it is simple. Add onion first, then add your fat, then start roasting like I did in front of you. You can see by doing the rewind in this video. So this is my plating. I'll serve bread in this.
Why are you not adding garam masala?
Garam masala. Can you give me garam masala from there? Actually, I forgot. Sorry. Not forgot. Garam masala goes in the topping. अभी तो वहाँ हम पहुँचे ही नहीं हैं. Okay, so these loaf are in my this plating. So this is beautiful wok to serve bhurji. I'll put all the bhurji in this.
Do we need to keep stirring?
A bit. Till the time you see creamy texture in this. See, if you can see the creaminess in this bhurji. Can you see? Thank you so much. I'll just pour over all the bhurji. See, this bhurji is sold in Amritsar, and when I visited there, I was strange. I was amazed to see the queue outside this shop, and people were having this bhurji with bread, raw bread. But I prepared this garlic loaf for you, which will work in a different cuisine also for you. You want to have it with the boiled steamed vegetables, it will work. You want to have it with pasta, the same thing will go. You want to have it with any soup, the same bread will go. And the same bread which I prepared with this bhurji is there, bread is there, little bit of garnish. You can put coriander or whatever is available. But I have mint in my kitchen garden because coriander is not there. So this is the final dish. You can serve it to your guest, and I guarantee you this paneer bhurji will make you happy a lot. You will be happy to taste this when you prepare this, you'll be having so much fun. And now my session minutes are already over. If quick any answer just in the last, otherwise you can send me questions on my Insta link or on my Facebook direct messenger link.
You can acknowledge all the hearts and likes. A lot of people are.
Thank you so much. I can see a lot of hearts and thanks are there in the post, and thanks from my side, because it is the platform where we can show what we are working on our cuisines nowadays. So it's not like that we learned European cuisine and in starting as a chef I learned Indian cuisine. No, we are working on all the cuisines right now. Like I am specialized in Indian cuisine, I am specialized in European cuisine, I am specialized in Lebanese cuisine. I am trying to get specialization in all three cuisines. No one is perfect, but I am trying to get specialization in all three cuisines, and I am working a lot on this. And my fourth specialization is the street food, because I am consultant for all the major sweets brand in India. Name any brand, I am a consultant for that brand. So I am working for them on. I again forgot to add the garam masala. So sprinkle garam masala on the top. This will add beauty to this dish. Not beauty, this will add flavors to this dish.
Somebody's asking, can we make eggs in the same way too?
eggs. You can add, you can make, but no need for the water. You make masala with a little bit of water which I added, then immediately add eggs, beaten eggs. But if you are making eggs, be careful, don't add salt in the starting, because when you add salt before the eggs they may curdle. कई बार आपने देखा होगा आपके जो एग हैं, तो जब आप उसको स्क्रैम्बल करते हैं उसमें अगर सॉल्ट नहीं डालेंगे तो ज़्यादा बेटर रहेगा. इट्स माई एडवाइस. जस्ट ट्राई दिस एंड देन ऐड सॉल्ट व्हेन योर स्क्रैम्बल इज रेडी एट द एंड. अदरवाइज समटाइम्स वाटर रिलीज्ड ड्यू टू सॉल्ट. So it's clear, just skip salt, same recipe, no need to add water, and then add